दीदी, आज तो लाइट ही चली, क्या करें?
रियली? पर क्यों ना हम इस अंधेरे में भी कुछ क्राफ्ट करें?
चलो बना के देखते हैं।
चलते हैं हमारा वाटर लैम्प बनाने के लिए।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू स्वरूपा's कॉर्नर।
तो फ्रेंड्स, ये प्रॉब्लम तो आप सबने फेस की होगी, लेकिन क्या हम इस प्रॉब्लम को क्रिएटिव बना सकते हैं? हाँ, क्योंकि आज हम बनाने वाले हैं
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, सुपर इजी
वाटर लैम्प, जो बनाना बहुत सिंपल है। सो व्हाट वी आर वेटिंग फॉर, लेट्स गो। बट बिफोर गोइंग, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए जल्दी से और चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब बटन क्लिक कर दीजिए। सो लेट्स गो। So friend, the first thing required is the transparent bottle. You can also go with the Bisleri bottle which we all have at home. But please don't take the green and the blue ones which we get in the market, as they are also transparent, but don't use them because that dims out the color. So use this type of transparent.
The next thing we have required water.
So let's add the water to our bottle. Slowly add it. Yes. And we have added it till the top. So friend, the next thing we need is oil. You can use just any of the oil. And you need to add oil only in small amount, means few drops. So let's add it. You need to add oil only in little amount, so that it creates small bubbles in the water.
The next thing we need is glitter.
So glitter also you need to add only in very small amount. You need to add glitter just to bring a shine. If you skip this, it's actually okay. Nothing will happen much. Yes, we have added it. It's glitter all over there. And now we need to shake it. So let's close the bottle and shake it. Close the bottle tightly, otherwise the water will spill all over the floor. Yes, and see, it will make these kinds of purple. I don't think you are able to see it now, but when I just off the light, you will be able to see them. So the next thing we need to do is take your mobile. After taking the mobile, just on the torch, keep the mobile on the floor and shake the bottle. Keep the bottle over there. Wow!
It is very nice, Didi.
Yes. So now only it's looking so beautiful. How beautiful it will look when we just switch off all the lights. So let's switch it off.
Now we will shake it and we will see the beautiful lamp. Shake, shake, shake. Wow! It is good now. Let's see.
So friends, I hope you like this magical lamp, and so please share it with your friends so that they could also make this beautiful magical lamp. So thank you, and please like
And share
and subscribe. Friends, thank you for 100 subscribers. Bye.
See you in the next video. And don't forget to make it at your home.
Yes, it's looking very beautiful.
Beautiful.